What's going on, fam? Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. I do not know what happened. Right, Goldilocks, Goldilocks for those of you that might be in. Like I said, if you got hit out here, ideally re-entries are clean. I'm personally in. Like I said, just from the point of interest that we're in, it just made sense, like I said, to see us continue lower. Nas, right? If you guys took Nas dropped a quick 100 points. So that was very, 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 very clean. Um, definitely was amazing to be able to catch that move. Um, just so effortlessly, really. We basically were able to just catch a low risk, high rewards scenario based off of just re-entries that we were looking at. And like I said, everything that we're looking at right now is potential for longer term scenarios. Like even for US 30 actually made it all the way down to the area that I was talking about. It looks like really we're just gonna be bearish overall today for everything, right? Indices included. Drop a what if you guys can hear me okay? Everyone can hear me okay? Right? You guys be so quiet in the chat sometimes. It's like sheesh, right? Don't really know if you guys are there or not. But ideally, family, in terms of everything, is there anything that you guys wanted me to look at before I kind of go over? I'm gonna go over just the gold shorts, just in a little bit more details. For those of you that kind of want to be able to study, as well as buys too, I can kind of go over why it is that I even want to buy out of this area, and why to me just the buys are clean, right? In particular versus just everything else, because in my eyes, like I said, it's right now, especially for gold, I really think we're in a sensitive area in terms of like we could really get some serious reversal out of this area, in terms of seeing continuation towards the upside. So it's just like being prepared for ideally what it is to come in the market. 15-minute, 30-minute wise for gold looks lovely. Let's take a look at gold. So it looks lovely from a smaller time frame perspective, right? 5-minute, 15-minute. 5-minute right now looks like we're about to break above this high. So maybe we come back, revisit that area, fill that, continue lower. Right, like I said, DXY right now, I would expect it to do exactly what it's doing right now. So that's why, in my eyes, like I said, I wanted it to kind of go down from here. But like I said, we had this insufficiency that we had to come fill. We're filling this imbalance, right? On top of that, we had some equal highs liquidity right here that we capture, right? As we're coming back in, right? Understand we're getting that mitigation, right? BTC, yeah, I could definitely take a look at some crypto. Crypto, I would imagine, probably is coming into buy areas too if we didn't already kind of take off. In my eyes, that's kind of what I would anticipate for crypto. Sorry, I'm just moving my stop loss for gold. And Nas, just to break even, right? Ideally, if you're a Nas, I would break even for sure. If you guys are in a top, BTC, I was looking for shorts actually on everything, really, right? I was kind of looking at just the daily structure overall, right? We're making just lower lows and lower highs, right? Since we got this break of structure at the top up here, right? Once we broke this low here, right? We got this lower low, came up, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. To me, this could be potential lower high to then obviously have us continue, right? So in terms of what we really look for in terms of the market, right? This is just one of the things that we ideally like to keep our eye on, especially when it comes down to market movement, right? Like I said, even right now, it's like with crypto, what I personally think could happen, right, is just realistically with the media and everything that's going on right now. I just think that realistically we're gonna kind of clap out a lot of the late buyers. Like we just keep generating a lot of liquidity. Like to me, whenever the media and TikTok, like to me, whenever TikTok is sitting there saying buy gold or buy crypto or buy this, buy that, like typically you want to do the opposite of what TikTok or what social media is telling you to do, because if it was as simple as that, like believe me, like a lot more people would be wealthy out of these markets, right? In comparison to just the reality of what it is. So overall, like I said, I really just think that this is something that